Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Hold it going. Om. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्ताम् सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल्मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः त्वं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायुरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. Though we have chanted the 75th Dashakam, we have to learn that. Though the meter is familiar, Sradhara, and we all are familiar with the tune, but still we'll do the formalities of having it in the class. Because the meter is so very big, we would be doing only one Dashakam today. And plus then this starting a little late, almost half an hour now. So you should be able to complete this Dashakam, hopefully, by His grace. So without any delay, let's start this Radhara meter. In this today's 75th Dashakam, we are doing Kamsavadha today. Kamsa only had sent Akrura. We remember that. Then Akrura's journey we saw. Then how Krishna spent a night. How gopis were wondering that where the Krishna, in whose house he might be. Then they were shocked that he is going. And then they lamented. And then they said that how can, where we don't have any other refuge, you are going. And then he said he would come. And then he had gone. And then when he reached Mathura, then how he had mesmerized everybody on the way. And that description we saw, how the women folk were of Mathura. That description we saw. And how he entered finally. That description also we saw. And now what is waiting for him? Let us see. So that's the further story. Okay. So that is Dashakam 75. My lovely kids. Let us start with the first. And you look. Can you read Hamsi? Finish. Let us start. Kamsavadha Vardhanam, Dashakam 75, Sadharamit. प्रातः सन्त्रस्तभोजक्षितिपतिवचसा
प्रातः सन्त्रस्तभोजक्षितिपतिवचसा
प्रस्तुते मल्लतूर्ये
स्तुते मल्लतूर्ये
सङ्घे राज्ञां च मञ्चानभिययुषि गते
सङ्घे राज्ञां च मञ्चानभिययुषि गते
नन्दगोपेऽपि हर्म्यम्
नन्दगोपेऽपि हर्म्यम्
कंसे सौधाधिरूढे त्वमपि सह बलः सानुगश्चारुवेषः
कंसे सौधाधिरूढे त्वमपि सह बलः सानुगश्चारुवेषः
रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भूः कुपितकुवलया पीडनागावलीढम्
रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भूः कुपितकुवलया पीडनागावलीढम् प्रातः सन्त्रस्तभोजक्षितिपतिवचसा प्रस्तुते मल्लतूर्ये सङ्घे राज्ञां च मञ्चानभिययुषि गते नन्दगोपेऽपि हर्म्यम् कंसे सौधाधिरूढे त्वमपि सह बलः सानुगश्चारुवेषः रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भूः कुपितकुवलया पीडनागावलीढम्.
Okay. So now the description goes further. Prataha, in the morning. Santrasta Bhoja. Bhoja is the king, means Kamsa. Kshitipati Vachasa. Okay. So, by the words of Kamsa. And how is that Kamsa? Santrasta. He is frightened. He's irritated, he's troubled, he's sensing something wrong. By his words, by his vachasa, Prastute started what? Mallaturye. The drums and all the beatings and announcements were starting about that there is going to be this wrestling match, Mallaturye. Then this Sanghe Radnya, the group of all the kings, Manchan, on the mancha, on the stage. Adhiyayushi, they climbed the stage. And then the Adhiyayushi Gate, they stand, and who has also come? Nanda Gopopi Harmyam. Harmya in the palace, Nanda Gopa had also arrived over there. Then Kamse Saudhadhi Rudhe. Seventh case. When this happened then. So when Kamsa Saudhadhi Rudha is a higher place. Means like there are levels, no? Ground floor, first floor, third. So on a higher level he had gone. Who? Kamsa. Tvamapi, you also. Bhattathariji is saying to Krishna, you also. Sahabalaha, with Bala, Sahabalaha, with Balramji. Sanugaha, Charuveshaha, who had also come along with you in a very Charuvesha, very charming Vesha. The clothes he has adorned, very dressed very charmingly. So he has also arrived there. Krishna and Balramji. Then Rangadvaram Gato Bhuhu. Rangadvara, where this program and all was arranged. When he went, Gato Bhuhu, when he reached over there, where this wrestling thing was there, then Kupita, angry, Kuvalaya Pida. Kuvalaya Pida is the name of who? Naga. Naga is who? Not the snake. Naga is another name of the elephant. Elephant named Kuvalaya Pida Avalidham. He stopped. He obstructed these two passages. Who? This angry Kuvalaya Pida named elephant obstructed the passage. Okay. Pratah santrasta bhojakshitipati vachasa prastute mallaturye sanghe radnyancha manchan abhiyayushigate nanda gopepi harmyam Kamse saudhadhirudhe tvamapi sahabalas sanugashcharuveshaha rangadvarangato bhuh Pitakuvalaya Pidanagava Leadham. Papishtha Pehi Margat.
Papishta pehi margat.
Dhritamiti vachasa Nishthura Kruddha Buddhe.
Drutamiti vachasa nishthura kruddha buddhehe.
Ambhashthasya pranodadadhikajavajusha.
Ambashthasya pranodadadhikajavadusha.
Hastina grihyamanah.
Hastina grihyamanah.
केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्धिनं कुम्भमस्य
केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्धिनं कुम्भमस्य
व्याहत्यालीयथास्त्वञ्चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासी
आहत्याली यथा स्त्वञ्चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासी पापिष्ठापेहि मार्गाद्रुतमिति वचसा निष्ठुरक्रुद्धबुद्धेः अम्बष्ठस्य प्रणोदादधिकजवजुषा हस्तिना गृह्यमाणः केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्धिनं कुम्भमस्य व्याहत्याली यथा स्त्वञ्चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासी.
Now what has happened? Papishtha apehi margat dhrutam. Papishtha, O wicked one, margat, from the passage. Apehi, go away. Dhrutam, quickly, just quickly disappear from this path. Iti vachasa, at these words. Who said this? Krishna is saying to the elephant. So after hearing this, Nishthura Kruddha Buddhe. Nishthura, very cruel. And Kruddha, who is very angry. That Ambhashtasya, that Ambhashtha, who is sitting on the elephant. That Mahut, Pranodat. This Mahut has prompted the elephant. Then Adhika Javajusha. Java is the speed, okay? And very, very lightning speed. Hastina Gruhyamanaha. By that elephant, Lord was caught by the elephant. Okay, so this elephant, who is already angry, has now got hold of Lord. Then Keli, as if it's a Leela. We saw this word, Keli. Where? In Rasa Leela. So as if it was a sport, as if it was a Leela, Muktaha, Lord freed himself within no time. It was, what is it for the Lord? Then he smashed the elephant's head. Elephant's huge head round is described to the chest of gopis. Gopi Kucha Kalasha, like the pot. So this pot-like chest of gopi, that description is given over here to the elephant's head. And Chiraspardhina, like as if he was Chiraspardha. Chira, long time. Spardha is as if he's in a long time competition. As like that, Kumbhamasya, this Kumbha, this elephant's head, Vyahataliya. So, Vyahatya, he hit very strongly. Ali yathastvam. So, then he, Aliyatha, he went into hiding. Where? Tvam aliyatha, you hid. Where? Charana bhuvi. So, elephant's big legs, Lord, as if he was hiding between the legs of the elephant. And then punaha, nirgataha. And then again he comes out from that hiding place. And with valguhasi, one very small, naughty smile, one charming smile, Lord again pops out. He smashed. So this is happening very fast. Just imagine this angry one big elephant has immediately caught hold of the Lord. Lord also in his Leela immediately frees himself, hides between that elephant's leg only. And everybody probably must be searching. So Lord has come out now showing his smile that, okay, I'm over here only in that sense. So just imagine the scene that is happening out over there. Papishtha tehi marga dhrutamiti vachasa nishthura kruddha buddhehe अम्भष्ठस्य प्रणोदादधिकजवजुषा हस्तिना गृह्यमाणः केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्धिनम् कुम्भमस्य व्याहत्यालीयथास्त्वम् चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासी. Yes, your turn. हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यो
हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यो.
when we pause we are going to say हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यः, but when we are doing the full verse we are not going to pause over there, we'll retain gamyo, but like this, when I have said half then I should have done gamya. Okay, हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यः. Okay, was I lost in between? So whatever say gamyo. So gamyo we are
Yes.
not going to say when we are doing the full 9, but when I have broken like this, we have to do it as gamyaha. Hastaprapyopyagamyaha.
हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यः.
Jhatiti munijanasyev dhavan gajendram.
झटिति मुनिजनस्येव धावन् गजेन्द्रम्.
क्रीडन्नापात्य भूमौ.
क्रीडन्नापत्य भूमौ.
आपात्य.
क्रीडन्नापात्य भूमौ.
पुनरभिपततस्तस्य दन्तं सजीवम्.
पुनरभिपततस्तस्य दन्तं सजीवम्.
Very good. मूलादुन्मूल्य तन्मूलगमहितमहामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे. Would you be able to, baby?
मूलादुन्मूल्यतुन् तन्मूलगमहितमहामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे.
Wow, excellent. प्रादास्त्वं हारमेभिर्ललितविरचितं राधिकायै दिशेति.
प्रादास्त्वं हारमेभिर्ललितविरचितं राधिकायै दिशेति. हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यः झटिति मनुजनस्येव धावन् गजेन्द्रम्. क्रीडन्नापत्य भूमौ पुनरभिपततस्तस्य दन्तौ सजीवम्. मूलादुन्मूल्यतुन्मूलगमहित महामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे. प्रादास्त्वं ललितविरचितं राधिकायै दिशेति.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Mithil. Lovely chanting. Okay. Hastaprapya. Okay. Hastaprapyaha, and then one P is also there. Hastaprapya api. Even as if getting in the hand, api, agamyaha will not get actually. Jhatiti is very fast. Munijanasya iva dhavan gajendra. So, how is Lord to the Muni? You feel, no, you've understood. Even in a Vedanta class, no, we think, okay, now we've understood. And then after the class, it's spit. So we would have had a nice heavy Vedanta class. Everything is understood. And then after the class, it deserted. Then we take some beautiful notes after re-listening to the class and we write so that we don't forget. And we thought we understood. And again, it is slipped. Okay, so that description is given over here that, oh Lord, even for Munijanaha, you feel as though they have grasped it and then you escape from it. Means you are agamya. So like how for them, so like this for this elephant thinking that he's got hold of the Lord, but Lord is not coming into his hand at all, into his. So like that, Lord is Kridan. Lord is playing with this elephant now. Apatya. Huh? So he will push him down and on the bhumi, on bhumau. And then puna abhipatataha. And then he will abhipatataha. He will push him down, he will pull him up. And one who is coming now towards him, he's running back now, the elephant. That time the dantam, his tusk, sajivam, very live, mooladunmulya. From the root itself, he plucked it out. And that Tanmoola Gamahita Mahamuktikani Atmamitre, his Atmamitre Sri Dama. That when he has pulled out that Danta and at the base there are these pearls, means that tusk pearls, he gave it to his Atmamitra, Pradahatvam, and he says, Haram, Ebhihi, with this Lalitam Virachitam, make a beautiful necklace out of this. And Radhikayai Disheti, Disha iti. Radhikayai Disha. Give it to Radhika after making a good necklace of this tusk. Hastidanta. हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यो झटिति मुनिजनस्येव धावन् गजेन्द्रम् क्रीडन्नापात्य भूमौ पुनरभिपततस्तस्य दन्तं सजीवम् मूलादुन्मूल्यतन्मूलगमहितमहामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे तादास्त्वं हारमेभिर्ललितविरचितं राधिकायै दिशेति. Is Prahlad there? Is there?
Yes.
See you. Okay, now I got to see it. Number 4.
Okay.
Grindanandam tamamse
भिन्नानं दन्तमंसे
Yutamatha halina
युतमत हलिना
Rangamanga vishantam
रमङ्गाविशन्तम्
त्वामङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गीरभसहृतमनोलोचना वीक्षलोकाः त्वां मङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गी रभस हृत मनोलोचना वीक्ष लोकाः त्वामङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गीरभसहृतमनोलोचना वीक्ष लोकाः.
वामङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गीरभसहृतमनोलोचना वीक्ष्य लोकाः.
Awesome. Wow. You got it in one this itself. Hum ho dhanyo hi nando.
हम हो धन्यो हि नन्दो
Nahi nahi पशुपालाङ्गनानो यशोदा.
नहि नहि पशुपालङ्गनायो नो यशोदा
पशुपालांगना आ की मात्रा is पालांगना.
अंग
Connection. So, again, can you say that? Ham ho dhanyo hi nando nandaha, but we are not going to pause, so we are going. Nando nahi nahi
हम हो
pashupalangana.
धन्यो ओके हम हो धन्यो हि नन्दो नहि नहि पशुपालाङ्गनानो यशोदा
No no dhanye kshana smastrijagati vayam me veti sarve shashansuhu.
गतिवयामे वयमेवेति सर्वे शशंसुः गृह्णानं दन्तमंसे युतमथ हलिना रङ्गमङ्गाविशन्तं त्वां मङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गी रभसहृतमनोलोचना वीक्ष्य लोकाः हंहो धन्यो हि नन्दो नहि पशुपालाङ्गना नो यशोदा नो धन्येक्षणास्मस्त्रिजगति वयमेवेति सर्वे शशंसुः
Awesome. Lovely Prabhat. Thank you. Nice reading. These kids read so easily, no? Even if it's a Sraddharamrita. Okay, now let's go ahead. Grinhanam damtam amse. Amsa, shoulder. Grinhanam, holding that tusk what he has plucked on his shoulder. Yutamata Halina, with Halina, the one who is holding the, that means with Balramji. Rangamanga Vishantam. In that Ranga, he has entered. In that wrestling ring, he has entered. Anga is addressed to the Lord. Oh dear Lord, like that, Anga. We have seen that in the Rasa Leela also, this word Anga is meaning Lord and not Anga is a body part. Then, Tvam, your Mangalyanga Bhangi, your Mangalya, your auspicious, Anga Bhangi, beautiful appearance, Rabhasa. Rabhasa is a pressure, is a force. Dhrita Manolochana, the minds and the eyes of the people, you have just so forcefully attracted. That's why the name Krishna, who akrishya, who attracts. So seeing his such beautiful Mangalya body, his appearance, all in that arena got attracted to him. And then, Ham ho dhanya, Nanda Baba is dhanya, that he is having such a son. No, Pashupalangana are dhanya, means lucky. The Gopikas are lucky. No, Yashoda is lucky. They are saying that to have such a beautiful, child. So they are thinking how lucky they are. Then somebody is saying, no. Dhanya Ikshana, we are seeing that. So we are lucky. Dhanyekshana, the eyes that are seeing this. Tri Jagati, Vayam Eveti, we are only lucky. Like that they say, Sarve, Sashamsu, all were praising like that or feeling like that. Grinhanandantamamse yutamata halina rangamanga vishantam tvam mangalyanga bhangir bhasartamano lochana vikshalokaha hamho dhanyo hinando nahi pashupalangana no yashoda no dhanyekshanaasmastri jagati vayamevéti sarve shashamsuhu. I hope there are no more kids. Let's start with the adults. Sumanaji. Number 5. Purnam Brahmaiva Saksha Niravadhi Paramananda Sandra Prakasham.
पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् निरवधि परमानन्दसान्द्रप्रकाशम्
गोपेषु त्वं व्यलासीर्न खलु बहुजनैस्तावदावेदितो भूः
गोपेषु त्वं व्यालसानीर्न
व्यलासी
गोपेषु त्वं व्यलासीर्न खलु
Shu is short, don't make it dirgha, and there will be a pressure, there will be a dvitvasa. Gopeshu tvam vyalasi.
गोपेषु त्वं व्यलासीर्न खलु बहुजनैस्तावदावेदितो भूः
Drishtva thatvam, so thatvam is also dritva. दृष्ट्वा थत्वान् तदेदं प्रथममुपगते पुण्यकाले जनौघाः
दृष्ट्वा तत्त्वान्तदेदं प्रथममुपगते पुण्यकाले जनौघाः
पूर्णानन्दा विपापा सरसमभिजगुस्त्वत्कृतानि स्मृतानि
पूर्णानन्दा विपापा सरसमभिजगुस्त्वत्कृतानि स्मृतानि पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षान्निरवधि परमानन्दसान्द्रप्रकाशम् गोपेषु त्वं व्यलासीर्न खलु बहुजनैस्तावदा वेदितुः दृष्ट्वा तदेदं प्रथममुपगते पुण्यकाले जनौघाः पूर्णानन्दा विपापा सरसमभिजगुत्स्त्वत्कृतानि स्मृतानि.
So now the description of the Lord. How is Lord? Purnam, he is complete. Brahmaiva, he is Sakshat Brahman only. Niravadhi, he is beyond any space-time object limitation. Paramananda, he is supreme bliss. Sandra Prakasham, he is the pure consciousness. And Gopeshutvam, amongst the gopis, Vyalasihi, you were shining in the gopas. But Bahujanaihi, most of the people, Tavat, that time, Avedito Bhuhu, didn't know that you are Brahman. You are amongst them, but mostly they didn't know like that this was your form. But Drishtvatha, but having seen Tadedam, that time, Prathamam Upagate, but when they saw for him for the first time, and Upagate Punyakale Janaugaha, when the time was right for them, for that, when their Punya time was right, that time to all those people who have seen him for the first time, realized that truth. Then, with that Purnananda, with that complete happiness, they became vipapaha, they became free from all the papas, and sarasamabhijaguhu, they started to tell about him what? Tvatkritani smrutani, that whatever his leelas were there, all the stories, whatever they remembered, they started talking about it. So, the time when the right is there, though Lord was one among them, that time they didn't. But now they realized when their punya was fructifying that this is only Parabrahman, this is only Purnananda. And in that bliss, they remembered like, this, Lord had done, this. So, whatever Krishna's activities, now they remembered it as Leelas and they started telling about it. Purnam Brahmaiva Saksha Niravadhi Paramananda Sandra Prakasham Gopeshu Tvam Vyalasirna Khalu Bahujanai Stavada Vedito Bhu Drishtva Thattvan Tadedam Prathamamupagate Punyakale Janaughah Purnananda Vipapa Sarasamabhijagustvatkritani Smritani. One Number 6. Chanuro Mallavirastadanu Nrupagira Mushtiko Mushtishali
चाणूरो मल्लवीरस्तदनु नृपगिरा मुष्टिको मुष्टिशाली
वांरामञ्चाभिपेदे झट झटिति मिथो मुष्टिपातातिरूक्षम्
वांरामञ्चाभिपेदे झट झटिति मिथो मुष्टिपातातिरूक्षम्
उत्पातापातनाकर्षण विविधरणान्यासतान् तत्र चित्रम्
उत्पातापातनाकर्षणविविधरणान्यासतान् तत्र चित्रम्
मृत्योः प्रागेव मल्लप्रभुरगमदयम् ऊरिशो बन्धमोक्षा
मृत्योः प्रागेव मृत्योः प्रागेव मल्लप्रभुरगमदयन् भूरिशो बन्धमोक्षान् चाणूरो मल्लवीरस्तदनु नृपगिरा मुष्टिको मुष्टिशाली त्वां रामं चाभिपेदे झटझटिति मिथो मुष्टिपातातिरूक्षम् उत्पातापातनाकर्षणविविधरणान्यासतान् तत्र चित्रम् मृत्योः प्रागेव मल्लप्रभुरगमदयम् भूरिशो बन्धमोक्षान्
So now what happens? Chanuraha Mallaviraha Tadanu Nrupagira. So now this king means Kamsa has has ordered, not advised, has ordered by his words, Mallavira, the wrestling champion, Mallavira, the wrestling champion, Chanura was asked to come, and Mushtishali, boxing champion, Mushtikaha was asked to come. Okay. And then Tvam Ramam Chabhipede. So Chanura with Bhagwanji and Mushtika with Balramji. They were having this Jhata Jhatiti Mithaha Mushtipatati Ruksham. They were having this wrestling and this boxing fight going on very fast at a rapid speed and with big noises it was going. And how? Utpatas, they were being thrown, they were being pulled up, Utpata, Apatana, Karshana. So everything was happening. All the methods of the wrestling and the boxing were applied. And Tatra Chitram, that sight was a real wonder. And then Mrutyov Prageva, Eva, even before the death, Mallaprabhu Agamadayam. Mallaprabhu, that wrestling champion, Agamadayam. So what had happened? Gurishaha, too much of Bandha and Mokshan. Even before he could actually die, he is facing Bandha and Moksha. He's caught between Bandha Moksha. Before he could even go, he was like released and he was caught and he was there. So he saw and he witnessed that Bandha and Moksha before killing. Right? But because it's a death at the hand of the Lord, it's going to be liberation. So that's why that Bandha and Moksha, that he was skipping from the Lord's hands, but yet Lord would anyways catch. So that the word Bandha and Moksha, freeing and getting caught again, but it is taken into another sense that Lord is giving him in liberation. Before his actual death, he witnessed that as so that path is to be enjoyed. Bandha Moksha. Chanuro Mallavirastadanu Nrupagira Mushtiko Mushtisali Tvam Ramanchapipede Jhata Jhatiti Mitho Mushtipatati Ruksham Utpatapatanakarshana Vividharana Nyasatan Tatra Chitram Vividharanani Asatam. That is the Sandhi over there, Yana Sandhi. Mrityo Prageva Malla Prabhuragamadayam Bhurisho Bandha Mokshan. Very nice words. Gamatayam. Agamat ayam. Number 7. Hadhikashtan kumarau sulalitavapushau mallavirau kathorau.
आधिकष्टं कुमारौ सुललितवपुषौ मल्लवीरौ कठोरौ
तद्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामस्त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीम्
न द्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामस्त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीम्
चाणूरन्तं करोद्भ्रामणविगलदसुम् ओथयामासिथोर्व्या
चाणूरन्तं करोद्भ्रामणविगलदसुं पोथयामासिथोर्व्याम्
पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैर्दधारे
पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैर्दधावे हाधिकष्टं कुमारौ सुललितवपुषौ मल्लवीरौ कठोरौ न द्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामस्त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीम् चाणूरन्तं करोद्भ्रामणविगलदसुं पोथयामासिथोर्व्याम् पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैर्दधावे
So now what happens? Hadik, oh my God, Kashtam, this is not nice. Kumarau, these two young boys, Sulalita Vapushau, their bodies are so Sulalita, so tender. This Mallavirus are Kathora, these wrestlers are so harsh. Na Drakshyamaha, let us not see this kind of a wrestling where, no, you all have such heavy built wrestlers and this tender teenage boys and such wrestling. Let us not see. Na drakshamaha, let us not see. Vrajamaha, let us go. Tvaritam. And let's go quickly from here. Iti, like this. Jane bhashamane tadanim. When people were talking like this. So this is Ati Saptami again. That time, Chanuram, to that Chanura, tam, karod, Brahmana Vigaladasum. So Lord picked Chanura and he was swirling him in the air and Pothayamasi, throw him Urvyam on the earth. And at the same time, Pishto Bhut, Mushtika also. Pishto Bhut. Pishta is like crushing like a batter. So he was also crushed, Dhrutam, very fast. By who? Halina, by Halina. And Nashtashishte, who were, these are dead and who were balanced, Dadhave. And other wrestlers who were thinking now their turn has come to die, like this, getting crushed or something, Dadhave, they ran away from there. आधिकष्टं कुमारौ सुललितवपुषौ मल्लवीरौ कठोरौ न द्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामस्त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीम् चाणूरन्तं करोद्भ्रामणविगलदसुम् ओथयामासिथोर्व्याम् पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैर्दधावे. Number 8. कंसः संवार्य तूर्यम्
कंसः संवार्य तूर्यम्
फलमतिरविदन् कार्यमार्यान् पितृंस्तान्. No ending, the no which is down.
Okay. फलमतिरविदन् कार्यमार्यान् पितृस्तान्
आहन्तुं व्याप्तमूर्तेस्तव च समशिषत् पूरमुत्सारणाय.
आहन्तुं व्याप्तमूर्तेस्तव च समशिषत् दूरमुत्सारणाय.
हृष्टो दुष्टोक्तिभिस्त्वं गरुडैव गिरिं मञ्चन्नुदञ्चत्.
दृष्टो दुष्टोक्तिभिस्त्वं गरुड इव गिरिं मञ्चन्नुदञ्चत्.
Manchanudanchat.
Manchanudanchat.
Correct. खड्गव्यावल्गदुस्सङ्ग्रहमपि च हठात् प्राग्रहीरौग्रसेनिम्.
खड्गव्यावल्गदुस्सङ्ग्रहमपि च हठात् प्राग्रहीरौग्रसेनिम् कंसः संवार्य तूर्यं खलमतिरविदन् कार्यमार्यान् पितुस्तान् आहन्तुं व्याप्तमूर्तेस्तव च समशिषत् दूरमुत्सारणाय रुष्टो दुष्टोक्तिभिस्त्वं गरुड इव गिरिमञ्चन्नुदञ्चत् खड्गव्यावल्गदुस्सङ्ग्रहमपि च हठात् प्राग्रहीरौग्रसेनिम्.
So now this comes, the climax is coming now. So Kamsaha, now Kamsaha, what has happened thing? Samvarya Turyam. Whoever was beating that turi and all, no, all the drums and all, Samvar, he asked them to stop all that nonsense. Khalamatihi. Khalamatihi Kamsaha. Khalamati is adjective for Kamsaha. This wicked-minded Kamsaha. Avidan. Karyam. He didn't know what is happening, what is to be done. Aryan Pitrun Tan. So the parents. Ahantum. He ordered to kill the parents. Okay. Vyatamurtehe. Lord, who is the all-pervading one. Tava. Samashishat Duramutsaharanaya. To drive away, far away from there. He ordered Samashishat. He ordered that kill the parents and drive this boy far away. Drive who? Drive far away where? All-pervading one, where to drive? Everywhere he will be there. So that's how Bhattatriji has put that word. Then, Rushtaha Dushtokti. So, Lord became Rushtaha, angry, hearing Dushta Uktihi. Hearing this wicked words of Kamsa, Rushtahatvam Garuda Iva, like a Garuda, Girim Mancha Dudanchat. He took a big flight. So Kamsa we saw, no? He was sitting Samadhi Rudhe, where on some higher place. Lord, like a Garuda, took a long flight and pounced on that first floor where he was sitting on his throne. On him, Khadgavyavalgudussanghramapi hatat pragrahiraugrasenim, and he was holding that asi, he was holding that sword, but Lord didn't mind anything, and though it was tough, this Ugraseni, this son of Ugrasena, hatat, with that determination, pragrahi, Lord caught hold of him, though he was showing a sword to the Lord. Kamsa samvarya turyam khalamatiravidan karyamaryan pitrumstan. So this stan, if we miss, no, we will read this word as nahantum. Meaning is changing. It is ahantum. Okay. So ahantum is to kill. Nahantum is not to kill. So this tan, that noise of the tan. Okay. Not to miss that meaning. Ahantum vyaptamurte stavacha samashishat duramutsaranaya. Krishto dushtoktiphistwang garudaiva girim manchanudancha khadgavyavalgadussangrahamapi cha hatat pragrahiraugrasenim. Radha Krishna ji. Number 9. Sadyo nishpishta sandhim bhuvi narapatim papatya tasyoparishtat. Half the ending.
Sadyo nishpishta sandhim bhuvi narapadim mapatya मापात्य तस्योपरिष्टात्
त्वय्यापात्येतदैव त्वदुपरि पतिता नाकिनां पुष्पवृष्टिः
त्वय्यापात्येतदैव त्वदुपरि
त्वय्यापात्येतदैव
त्वय्यापात्येतदैव त्वदुपरि पतिता नाकिनां पुष्पवृष्टिः
किं किं ब्रूमस्तदानीं सततमपि धिया त्वद्गतात्मा स भेजे
किं भ्रूमस्तदानीं सततमभिभिया त्वद्गदात्मा स भेजे
सायुज्यं त्वद्वधोत्था परमपरमियं वासनाकाल नेमेः
सायुज्यं त्वद्वदोत्था परमपरमियं वासना कालनेमे सद्यो निष्पिष्टसन्धिं भुवि नरपदिमापात्य तस्योपरिष्टात् त्वय्यापात्येतदैव त्वदुपरि पतिता नागिनां पुष्पवृष्टिः किं भ्रूमस्तदानीं सततमभिभिया त्वद्गदात्मा स भेजे सायुज्यं त्वद्वदोत्था परमपरमियं वासना कालनेमे
So here what has happened now? Sadhyaha, immediately, Nishpishta Sandhim, all joints were crushed and he was thrown bhuvi on the earth. Narapati ma patya tasyo parishtat. He threw that king on the ground and tasyo parishtat, on top of him. Tvai apate, you came and you jumped on him, putting him on the ground on top of him. And then at that moment, Tadaiva, Twadupari, on you, Patita, Nakinam, from the heaven, Pushpa Vrishtihi, flowers started, being showered by all the gods. Kim Brumaha, what all I can say, Tadani, that happened. What had happened? Satatamapi, even though constantly with fear, Twadgatatma Sabheje. He was thinking, Kamsa has lived his life throughout in fear, thinking of the Lord because of that Akashavani. And because he was thinking, he got Sayuja. Same, he got, so we have those 4 types of liberation we had seen in the other class. So he got this liberation, he has united with the Lord. And Tvathotha Parama Paramiyam Vasana Kalanemehe. So this, in this previous life, we have seen, and this S.N. Shastri ji has given a footnote over there. So if you go on page number 235, there we get that 7th shlok, where the Kalanemi's reference has come, where Vishnu ji has killed the Kalanemi. From Kalanemi Matha Malika Mukhan. So you can see on page 235, if you turn that page in that verse, in that 7th verse, we will see. So this, because of his vasanas as Kalanemi, so he got this liberation. Though it was out of fear, he was still thinking of the Lord throughout his life, and he gets Sayuja Mukti. Sadyo Nishpishta Sandhim Bhuvi Narapatim Mapatya Tasyoparishtat Tvayapatye Tadaiva Tvadupari Patita Nakinam Pushpa Vrishtihi Kim Brumastadanim Satatamapi Bhiya Vadgatatma Sabheje Sayujjan Tvadottha Paramaparamiyam Vasana Kalane Me. Oh, we are finishing easily. We reach last verse also. Right? This is Krupa. We will finish on. Tadhatrun Nashtapishtva. So that Bharatrun's Rikara has gone under P. That's a print mistake. Bring it under T. So it will become true. Tadhatrun Nashtapishtva Dhritamata Pitarau सन्नमन्नुग्रसेनम्
त्वद् त्वद् तद् तद्भ्रातॄन्नष्टपिष्ट्वा धृतमथ पितरौ सन्नमन्नुग्रसेनम्
Correct. कृत्वा राजानमुच्चैर्यदुकुलमखिलम् मोदयन् कामदानैः
कृत्वा राजानमुच्चैर्यदुकुलमखिलं मोदयन् कामदानैः
भक्तानामुत्तमम् चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिम् सखाय
सखाय और सखायम
सखायम् भक्तानामुत्तमम् चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिम् सखायम्
भक्तानामुत्तमं चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिं सखायम्
Correct. लब्ध्वा तुष्टो नगर्याम् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मे सर्वरोगान्
लब्ध्वा तुष्टो नगर्यां पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मे सर्वरोगान् तद्भ्रातॄनष्टपिष्ट्वा धृतमथ पितरौ सन्नमन्नुग्रसेनम् कृत्वा राजानमुच्चैर्यदुकुलमखिलं मोदयन् कामदानैः भक्तानामुत्तमं चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिं सखायम् लब्ध्वा तुष्टो नगर्यां पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मे सर्वरोगान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द
So now what has happened? Okay. Tat Bhratrun Ashta Pishtva. His 8 brothers also Pishtva. Crushed them, killed them, Dhruta, very quickly. And Pitaro San Naman. And to his parents, he bowed down. And Ugrasenam Krutva Rajanam. Ugrasena was made the Raja. And Uchchaihi Yadukulam Akhilam Modayan. So whole of this Yadukula was very happy because Kamadanaihi, he gave them whatever their ishta was, whatever they liked. Everything was given to them. And Bhaktanam Uttamam, amongst all the Bhaktas, Uddhava, he got, who is Amara Gurupati Aptanitim Sakhayam. He got Aptaniti, who has learned from Aptaniti, what is to be done, moral code of conduct, from Brahaspati, who is the Amara Guru. He has learned, and he got, Lord got that, the greatest bhakta he got. And Tushto Nagaryam, the whole Nagari, the whole capital city was very happy. O Pavanapurapate, O Guruvairappa, Rundhine, Sarvarogan, remove all my diseases. तद्भ्रातॄनष्टपिष्ट्वा धृतमथ पितरौ सन्नमन्नुग्रसेनम् कृत्वा राजानमुच्चैर्यदुकुलमखिलम् मोदयन् कामदानैः भक्तानामुत्तमम् चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिं सखायम् लब्ध्वा तुष्टो नगर्याम् पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मे सर्वरोगान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with his immense krupa, we have completed this. Let's not start the next dashakam, though we have little time. What we can do is we can chant this dashakam. So those who want to volunteer, please raise hands. I can see already 6 hands. Just 4 more hands are enough. Nobody? Okay, 7th one has come. 8, 9 and 10. Quickly. 3 hands. What happened? 2 more hands. Oh, so much time. Correct? Quickly. Volunteer. Why afraid? That is it. And one more? I'm not going to stare like this. I need one more hand. Why? I can see Sita Lakshmi ji. I can see Lakshmi ji. Volunteer without any fear. Okay. Shobha ji has volunteered. 10 hands. Okay. So first one by Sumana ji, second one by Sri Devi ji, third one Lata Kartik, fourth Lalita Ma, fifth Radha Krishnan ji, sixth Lakshmi Vempati ji, seventh Sajit ji, eighth Padma Bhaskaran ji, ninth Lakshmi ji. This Lakshmi ji would be, okay, the kids Lakshmi ji, okay. And 10th is Shobha ji. Our group is full of Lakshmi, so much Aishwarya in our group. Okay, start.
प्रातः सन्त्रस्त भोज क्षितिपति वचसा प्रस्तुते मल्लतूर्ये संघे राज्ञां च मञ्चानभिययुषि गते नन्दगोपेऽपि हर्म्यम् कंसे सौधाधिरूढे त्वमपि सह बलः सानुगश्चारुवेषः रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भुः कपितकुलव रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भुः रङ्गद्वारङ्गतो भुः कुपितकुवलया पीडनागावलीढम्
पापिष्ठापेहि मार्गाद्रुतमिति वचसा निष्ठुरक्रुद्धबुद्धेः अम्बष्ठस्य प्रणोदादधिकजवजुषा हस्तिना गृह्यमाणः केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलश केलीमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्दिनं कुम्भमस्य व्याहत्यालीयथास्त्वं चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासी
हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यो झटिति मुनिजनस्येव धावन् गजेन्द्रम् क्रीडन्नापात्य भूमौ पुनरभिपततस्तस्य दन्तौ सजीवम् मूलादुन्मूल्य तन्मूलगमहितमहामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे प्रादास्त्वं हारमेभिर्ललितविरचितं राधिकायै शेति
Lalita Ma, can you unmute? The usual.
गृह्णानन्दन्तमौसेयुतमथ हलिना रङ्गमङ्गा विशन्तम् त्वां मङ्गल्याङ्गभङ्गीरभसरितमनो लोचना वीक्ष्य लोकाः औहो धन्यो हि नन्दो नहि पशुपालाङ्गना नो यशोदा नो धन्ये क्षणास्मस्त्रिजगति वयमे वेति सर्वे शशंसुः
पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षी निरवधि परमानन्द सान्द्रप्रकाशम्
Sakshat.
पूर्णं ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् निरवधि परमानन्द सान्द्रप्रकाशम् गोवेषु त्वं व्यलासीर्न खलु बहुजनैस्तावदा वेदितो भूः दृष्ट्वा दत्त्वां तदेदं प्रथममुपगते पुण्यकाले जनौकाः पूर्णानन्दा विपापा सरसमपि जगुस्तत्कृतानि स्मृतानि
चाणूरो मल्लवीरस्तदनु नृपगिरा मुष्टिको मुष्टिशाली त्वां रामं चाभिपेदे झटिति मिथो मुष्टिपातातिरूक्षम् उत्पातापातनाकर्षणविविधरणान्यासतां तत्र चित्रम् मृत्योः प्रागेव मल्लप्रभुरगमदयन् मृत्योः प्रागेव मल्लप्रभुरगमदयं भूरिशो बन्धमोक्षान्
आधिकष्टं कुमारौ सुललितवपुषौ मल्लवीरौ कठोरौ न द्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामस्त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीं चाणूरन्तं करोद्भ्रामणविगलदसुं पोथयामासिथोर्व्यां पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैर्दधावे
कंससंवार्य तुर्यं खलमतिरविदन् कार्यमार्यान् पितृस्तान् आहन्तुं व्याप्तमूर्ते तव च समशिष्यद् दूरमुत्सारणाय पृष्टो दुष्टोक्तिभिस्त्वं गरुडैव गिरि मञ्चन्नुदञ्चत् खड्गौ व्यावल्गदुःसङ्ग्रहमपि च हठात् प्राग्रहीरौग्रसेनिम् सद्यो निःशिष्टसन्धिं भुवि नरपतिमापाद्य तस्योपरिष्टात् वैयापात्येतदैव त्वदुपरि पतिता नाकिनां पुष्पवृष्टिः किं ब्रूमस्तदानीं सततमपि भिया त्वद्गतात्मा स भेजे सायुज्यं त्वद्वधोक्ता परमपरमियौ वासना कालनेमेः
तत्प्रातृन्नष्टपिष्ट्वा द्रुतमथ पितरौ सन्नमन्नुग्रसेनम् कृत्वा राजानमुच्चैर्यदुकुलमखिलं मोदयन् कामदानैः भक्तानामुत्तमञ्चोद्धवममरगुरोराप्तनीतिं सखायम् लब्ध्वा तुष्टो नगर्यां पवनपुरपते रुन्धि मे सर्वरोगान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
So what was balance in our Parayan automatically happened today. So now our next Parayan will be of 76 to 100. In between we don't have. We'll just take off, not missing probably with His grace any of the sessions. This week was a little weird. But let's see. We should be falling back on track. Okay. So we'll for daily Gita. Well in time today. First time I'm feeling so early. Otherwise, these 15 minutes are also robbed of the spirit into ourselves. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining.
Hari Om Varsha ji.
Hari Om sir.
Hari Om. Thank you, Dr.
Hari Om
Varsha.
Hari Om Varsha ji.
Thank you.
Varsha ji, thank you so much.
Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everything. Hari Om. I can hear my voice and that
Hari
is
Om, Varsha ji. Thank
Hari
you.
Om sir. Thank you sir. This was
Hari Om Varsha. Thank you so much.
Hari Om Varsha ji.
Hari
Hari Om Varsha ji. Thank you very much.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Om sir.